Hey everyone! Today I'm thrilled to dive into the top modern home designs of 2024. This year, we've seen some truly groundbreaking ideas that push the boundaries of architecture, blending functionality with breathtaking aesthetics. First up, let's talk about sustainability, which is no longer just a trend, but a necessity. The leading designs this year have featured green roofs, energy-efficient systems, and materials sourced right from nature. Picture this. A house that not only looks good but also gives back to the environment. Moving on, minimalism continues to reign, but this year it's all about warm minimalism. That means clean lines and open spaces, yes, but paired with warm woods and soft lighting to create spaces that feel inviting and cozy. It's minimalism, but with a heart. Next on our list are smart homes, and I mean really smart homes. We're seeing designs that incorporate advanced technology like AI assistants that control lighting, temperature, and even your morning coffee, all optimized for your comfort. Imagine waking up to the perfect room temperature and your favorite morning brew ready to go. Another exciting trend has been the integration of indoor and outdoor spaces. Architects this year have blurred the lines between inside and out, with large glass walls and living rooms that open up to lush gardens. It's like bringing the tranquility of nature right into your living room. Lastly, let's talk about adaptive reuse. This is about taking old buildings and giving them a new life. It's sustainable, it's creative, and it brings a unique character to modern homes. Think old warehouses turned into stunning lofts or historic mills converted into breathtaking apartments. There you have it, the top modern home designs of 2024. Each design not only challenges the norms, but also creates spaces that improve our quality of life. It's fascinating to see how architects continue to innovate and inspire. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see what the future holds in the world of architecture.